Hey guys, to find out how we make this delicious chicken pastry, please keep watching, like, subscribe and comment down on our channel. Thank you. To do this, we've got a little bit of oil in the frying pan. We're going to add our onion to it. We're going to fry it until it's soft. We've got a bacon paste here, so this is cooking bacon that we've blended. We've got shredded chicken here. It's already cooked chicken, so we're going to add to it. The bacon is preferential. We're going to add in a little bit of black pepper. We're going to add a little bit of sea salt. So this is sea salt. You can use whatever salt you have. That's a lot. Why did you open it so wide? So that's a little bit of sea salt added to it. We're going to add Asda mix spice to it. We're adding 1 cube of Maggie spice to it. At this stage, you can add in fresh cream or milk, fresh milk or fresh cream. So we are using fresh cream. And the filling, at this stage, you can use your filling like this, but we're going to be adding some vegetables to our one. The filling is all nicely done, so we're gonna get our pastry, puff pastry. We've already loaded this ready-made one. Can get it from any shop, so we're just gonna cut it into round. You get butter or any oil, so this is extra virgin olive oil, and you just spray your. We put our pastry, one pastry in, and you put the filling in it. Then we put another pastry on top. We've got 1 egg here. We're going to mix it and put grease the top with it. Finish greasing the top with the egg. So we're just going to put it in the oven to bake. So we're going to show you another way that you can also do it if you have no oven to bake. So you're just going to slice it into pieces. Put your dough in the sandwich toaster, and then you add your fillings to it. Then you just add one of the pastry on top of it, and you just seal the corner. So it's done, and this is how it looks like. So I'm just going to get it out of the tin. I'm going to let it cool down a little bit, and I'll get it out. This is the finished result. And this one is the one that we made in the sandwich toaster. It came out really lovely, so you can see. So we hope you like this video. Please like, subscribe, and comment down below. Bye.